Now today we will read again chapter 4, the water cycle. In this is a poem, and in this poem the writer is describing about the water cycle. The poem beautifully describes the formation of rain. When he was When I was young, I used to think that water came from the kitchen sink, but now I am older and I know that water comes from rain and snow. In this stanza, the poet is describing when he was young, when he was child, he thought that the water came only from the kitchen sink. Now he is older and he know that water now he has seen that water comes from rain and snow. The poet beautifully described the formation of rain. The poet explains the water cycle in the nature to the young readers. It stays there waiting in the sky in clouds above our world so high, and when it falls, it flows along and splashes out a watery song. Now he is looking at the sky that in clouds water has to come, and when it falls down, it flows along and splash means falls noisily on surface out a watery song. It's look like a watery song. He feels like a song of water as each raindrop is joined by more and rushes to the ocean shore or to the lake, a brook, a stream from which it rises just like stream as each raindrop is joined by more. Now he is looking at the raindrops, that all raindrops joins together and rush to the ocean shore. He explains how water comes from rain and snow and its journey by rushing in the water bodies and again rising in the form of water vapor, from which it rises just like a steam. Steam means hot gas. The poet describing here the water cycle. In nature, water is formed in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. First process is evaporation, second condensation, and third is evaporate again. The water drops start becoming bigger when in the sky it becomes too heavy and it comes in the form of rain, and this rainwater goes back into the river, ponds, lakes and seas from where it evaporates again rising in the form of water vapor. Students, today you have to read this chapter, and I think you have already done its difficult words and question answers, but today I will send you again its question answers. You have to learn and write it in your fair. If you have done in fair notebook, then you will do practice in your rough notebook.